Welcome to Beli Kamen, which means white stone, or is it popular Besenovacko lake. This hidden treasure of Fruška Gora mountain is 1 hour drive from Belgrade, or 45 minutes from Novi Sad, and only 15 kilometers away from Ruma city. An asphalt road leads to the lake, and there is a huge number of monasteries in this region. You will find video about each monastery on my channel. This video was filmed in the spring, but if you are coming in the summer and you want to swim in the lake, the first thing I would advise you is to come as early as possible, because sometimes it is very crowded and it is difficult to find a place for a towel. Another advice is to bring some food and drinks, and be sure to have an umbrella to protect yourself from the sun. There is not much shade here, and usually those places with shade are occupied. The most interesting story is how the lake was made. At this place was the surface mine of the cement factory, and workers during the excavation cut the main water flow in the ground and flooded the deepest parts of the mine. The water was coming and coming, and there is even a legend that there are some vehicles left at the bottom of the lake that could not manage to get away. I did not check this legend because the lake is deep as 57 meters. Next thing I will say, it is not a legend. You can have a real nice summer vacation here. You can spend a whole day on the lake, or you can also visit Fruška Gora mountain. It is a fantastic tourist attraction in Serbia. On my channel you will find many videos of Fruška Gora mountain, but I cannot show you all the charms of this beautiful mountain. I would like to tell you one more thing, and that is extremely clean and transparent water. Very rarely you will find such clear water. So pack your things and see you in Besenovacko lake.